Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, future Fortnite champions. In this video, I will help you play good on Fortnite Mobile. First, ensure your device settings are optimized for smooth gameplay. This means adjusting graphics and frame rates for peak performance. Next, take time to customize your heads-up display, or HUD, arranging buttons for comfortable and quick access. Many top players use a four-finger claw setup. Finally, dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing building and editing in creative mode. This foundational practice is crucial for developing quick reflexes and precise movements in battle. Mastering movement and aiming is key to winning more matches. Consider using the auto-fire feature, especially when starting out, as it simplifies combat. Always try to strafe and jump while shooting. This makes you a much more difficult target for opponents to hit. Experiment with your sensitivity settings to find what feels most comfortable for precise aiming and rapid camera turns. Many players find a medium sensitivity, around 50%, offers a good balance between speed and accuracy for their thumbs. Building and editing are fundamental skills that separate good players from great ones. Focus on quickly placing walls and ramps to create instant cover when under fire. This defensive maneuver can save your life in many situations. Furthermore, learn to edit your structures rapidly. This allows for unexpected peaks and offensive pushes. Always utilize turbo building, which lets you hold down the build button to continuously place pieces, making construction much faster and more fluid during intense engagements. For advanced play, strategic thinking is paramount. Try landing in less contested areas on the map. This allows you to gather high-tier loot without immediate pressure. Always prioritize shield potions and healing items, as having full health and shields gives you a significant advantage in fights. Finally, pay close attention to the storm circle and plan your rotations early. Moving with the zone, rather than against it, helps you avoid unnecessary damage and positions you favorably for the final engagements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.